Hi everyone, today we are going to draw a cute little yellow chick together, the one that won the vote on Patreon as well as on my Instagram. I'll be using canvas 4 from my Watercolor Procreate Brushes set. The finished sketch, color palette and my illustration are all included with this lesson. To start, place the sketch above all the layers and set the blending mode to multiply. Then select the Draw Here layer. Choose the main brush, set the brush size to 47%, pick a light yellow color and begin painting the lighter feathers areas of the cheek. Also add thin strokes around the eye and on the beak. Next, switch to a brighter yellow color and paint the main yellow areas of the cheek feathers. After that, take a light orange color and add the darker areas. In some places, go over the strokes a few times to build up a more richer tone. Then switch to a dark orange color and paint the shadows around the eye and under the wing at the front. Use the same color to add shadows on the leg and toes as well. Next, pick a light brown color and paint the lighter parts of the leg and claws, as well as the beak. Now create a new layer and place it below the Draw Here layer. Choose black and paint the eye. Go over it twice to get a deep, solid black. Then, using the same color, add the darker grooves and shadows on the wooden fence where the chick is sitting. Switch to a gray color and paint the lighter areas of the wooden post. Then choose a slightly darker shade and add a few strokes for depth and texture. After that, use a brown color to paint the remaining parts of the wooden post. Create another new layer underneath all the previous layers. Switch to a light green color and select the wet brush with a brush size of 34%. Paint bright green areas in the background behind the cheek. Try not to overlap the previously painted areas, as it may affect the colors of the cheek. Then switch to a darker green and fill in the rest of the background. In some areas, layer the color to achieve a deeper, richer tone. Now switch to the water blend brush and set the size to 37%. Blend the color in the background to create smooth transitions. Do the same with the other layers where you applied color. Adjust the brush size depending on the area you are blending. Next, create a new layer above all the previous layers. Choose white and the water detail brush, set the brush size to 9% and add highlights to the eye, around the eye and on the beak. Then switch to the detail brush and paint the soft, fluffy texture of the cheek. Set the brush size to 55%. Now switch to a light yellow color and add feathers details on the yellow areas. Then use orange for the orange areas and dark orange to enhance the texture in the shadowed parts. After that, turn off the sketch layer, create another new layer above the green background layer, go back to the main brush, choose black and add shadow under the cheek's feet as well as deeper details and texture on the wooden post. And that's it, our illustration is complete. I'm really happy you voted for this adorable cheek and that we got to draw it together. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.